Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, and things happening in my real life. And today we're updating a project that I created called Love My Makeup. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Alright, this is the Love My Makeup project. I created it as a schedule filler, a chance to use makeup that has either come into my life collection and has not been used yet, or has been in my collection in a while and hasn't been used in a while. So it's just a chance to love my makeup. It is a very simple project. There are 3 products. I am focusing on one for my eyes, one for my cheeks or face, and one for my lips. And they are all brought in for 10 uses, and it can take as long as I want. It is rolling, ongoing, no end date. And if you want to join this project, you're more than welcome to. Just let me know down in the description or in the comments so that I can follow you, and you can join myself and Unapologetically Shelly in doing this project and use the hashtag lovemymakeupproject. All the information will be linked in the description box in case I forget anything or you didn't catch it, but I'm working on my 3 products, so let's see what they are, what I can roll out, and what I'll be bringing in. So first of all, I am working on a product for my eyes, and that is a shade from my Rimmel Electric Violet palette. I brought in the shade number 9, which is this dark purple right here. I am wearing it today on the outer corner of my eye look, and just so you know, I'm wearing the blue shade next to it on the inner corner of my eye look. And I will give you a swatch of this. It is a beautiful deep purple with a metallic sheen to it. My goal of, well, it's a 10-use project, so over the past month I have used it 9 times, including today. So I have one more use before the next update. But since there's only one more use, I'm going to go ahead and use it, but I'm going to bring in a new product, and then we will talk about that after I talk about the other items that are still here, or that I've been working on. Next is for my lips, and for that I brought in the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color. I am wearing it today. It is Infatuation. And over the last month, let's see, at the last update, I had 2 uses on this. Over the last month, I have used it 4 times, bringing me to 6 uses. So I have 4 more uses to go. This is one of my favorite shades of lip color, and it is not too drying, but after a while, once it does sit down, I usually do top it with a gloss. I'm hoping to get more use out of this. This is something my daughter gave me, and I don't know how old it is, but yeah, so 4 more uses to go on Infatuation. And then finally, for my cheeks, I had brought in this brand new MOTD, it says it on there, a highlighter that I got from Ipsy. It is in the shade Lucid Moon. And I will give you a swatch of this. I am not wearing it today because I didn't think about it, because I'm like, my goal's met. Spoiler, I met my goal. That is it there. It is a soft, subtle gold highlighter. Very beautiful. As of the last update, I'd used it 8 times, and I had 2 more uses to go. So I used it those 2 times, and it is complete. So that means we're bringing in 2 items, and one of them is going to be cheek, and one is for eyes. So for my cheeks, I am bringing in another new item I got from Ipsy. I have used this a few times, but I'd like to focus on it a little bit more. This is from Complex Culture. I think that's what it is. I always forget what the CC is. I think it's Complex Culture. And this is their bronzer in Sun Bath. It is their Play bronzer in Sunbath, I think. And that is it there. I will give you a swatch. And I swatched it in a bad place, but that is it right there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this some more. I have used it a few times, but I want to focus on it. And I don't have any bronzers currently in projects, so this will give me a chance to use it. I do have one bronzer that I've been using regularly, and it's not this one. So we're going to try using this one for the next, probably it'll only take me a month because I use bronzer every time I do my makeup. Otherwise, I look like a pasty ghost. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. I look like a pasty ghost without bronzer. All right, and then I decided to bring in this eyeshadow palette from I Heart Revolution. This is the Mermaid Hearts, and I will show you the color story. And I haven't picked a particular shade yet, so I thought we'd do that together. Let me go ahead and pull up the Pretty Random app on my phone. And there are 12 shades in there. So we're going to set it 1 through 12. And we'll randomize shade number 8. So let's take a look and see what shade number 8 is. So if we go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's blue. I was really hoping it wouldn't be one of the yellows, but it is blue. So let me get a swatch of that for you. That is a beautiful teal or cerulean blue shade. I will have fun playing with that. And that is it for this update. So it's a short and sweet project, 3 items. I'll be working on this, this, and this over the next month and finishing my last use on this guy. Like I said, if you want to join, let me know in the comments below. Use the hashtag lovemymakeupproject, and anybody is welcome to join. You can do this on Instagram or on YouTube. And yeah, there's no end date, just 3 products, and they don't have to be for eyes, cheeks, and lips. They can be any 3 products you want just to get a little bit of use and love your makeup. So until my next video, take care of yourselves. Remember to be true to you. Stay spooky, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!